Hey y'all, welcome back to Hollow Boys Garage. So here's the other build I was saying in one of my previous videos. It's a 77 F100 custom Ranger Explorer long bed, going on another Crown Vic 2008. So got this one about 4 hours from the house, and it was an ordeal, flat tires, and so it took a lot longer than what anticipated, but that's normal for the journey. Well, this one had a story of it couldn't get it to run, electrical issues. So the guy started pulling all the wiring out, and as you see, there's a whole mess of it there. Small block 302, AC truck. It's got issues. This one's going to be a lot more in the build, a lot more involved, because it's got more rust than the blue one had. It's got rust in the roof, drip rails like normal for them. So we're going to be doing a lot more detailed video on this one, on cutting the bed, shortening it, repairing all the rust, and getting it ready for the swap. So this series on this truck will be a lot longer, a lot more involved. Instead of just little spot shots that we've been doing, showing you, hey, this is what's been done, this is what we did. We're actually going to do more of a full overlay of video. So figured give y'all a different view on this one. But just got it back to the house. Overall, besides the rust, it is a good donor truck. So, looking forward to it. Doors are rotten. I'm gonna cut them, fix them, because the rest of the door is good. The rest of the door is solid. Rust. Again, bigger challenge. So I wanted to show y'all a different way of what we work and how we're gonna take care of all this. So. Again, it's a 77 F100 custom long bed going on a 2008 Crown Vic frame, full swap. All right, y'all. Appreciate you. I'll let you later. All right, step one, hood off. Over there, gonna do the fenders, front grille, skirts, the whole front end. About to come off. Show y'all here. I'll give you an update. Been raining the past 2 days, got more that's coming in this week. So all I'm doing is grilling, enjoying the time. I've had a few people ask about the blue truck. I really didn't tell y'all why that thing was being built, but it's right there. Ain't sold, won't be sold. It was actually built for my oldest son. He's military, United States Marine, stationed in Japan. He was supposed to come home for his brother's graduation May 22nd. With coronavirus, that all got screwed up. So we finished it up and ended up showing him the truck and his Mustang over FaceTime. Hopefully he'll be able to come home sometime this year and be able to enjoy it. But we've been driving it, testing it. It's definitely a nice truck. All right, y'all. Well, we appreciate y'all. I'll let you later. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to Hollow Boys Garage. Well, got hit with a case of lazy butt today. But finally shook it off. We came out and pulled the bed off. Pulled the factory AC out. If anybody wants a factory AC from a 73 to 79 Ford, let me know. We'll work something out. I'll send it to you. But hopefully get the cab off tomorrow and do the rest of it. Give y'all an update. All right, y'all. Appreciate you. I'll let you later. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to Hollow Boys Garage. Well, yesterday, bed off. Today, cab off, as I said. And getting the frame done. Pulling this motor out, which seems to be good. That's a small block 302 with a C4 transmission. There's the bed. There's the blue truck. There's our fenders. But everything's coming along. Getting this thing cleaned up. Got a guy that's gonna buy the frame, So put a little more money in the pocket. This time we moved the cab in here instead of being out baking in the sun, since this one has so much body work that needs to be done to it. I'm playing with paint idea. I really don't like the white roof. Think about going black and then patining it with some white and red popping through it. So it yeah, still kind of up in the air on the color of it, but figure it out as it comes. Just wanted to give y'all an update on it. All right, y'all. Appreciate you. I'll let you later. Hey y'all, welcome back to Hollow Boys Garage. Well, clearly we are back at it again. Son got all that stuff taken out today. About to pull the back end off in a minute. Got the bed sanded down the way I want it. And should be cutting this tomorrow, making it a short bed right where the paint is still solid right there. That's the cut line. We're doing 14.5 inches in, taking the back, moving it up, and then that'll give us the short bed we want. Doors are sanded, cab sanded. That's just sitting there waiting, cut the floors out. But moving along again, like before. All right, y'all. We appreciate y'all. I'll let you later.